Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So continuing our Instagram tutorial series, today I'll be showing you how to do a poll on Instagram. But before we start with the tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So getting into the video right now, so first you open the Instagram app. So once you open the app, so to create a poll, you'll create a new story over here. So to create a poll, you'll have to create a poll on your Instagram story. So let's open the story. So here what you can do is just use a text option over here, and now click on the stickers button, and here search for poll. So here you will ask a question, and then you create the options, and you can add many options, and then you can change the color of the poll. And once you're satisfied, you'll click on add to stories, and now people can actually vote on your poll and you'll be able to see the results. So if you open the story right now, you can see it swipe up that haven't watched yet has 1 vote, and you can even share the results of the poll, and that's it. So this is how you do a poll on Instagram, guys. I like this video and I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.